The Quadra-Cup is our selectable gallonage version here, which has 4 gallonage selections. And the Bubble Cup, both inch and inch-and-a-half versions here, are designed to pretty much operate as a dual gallonage selection. As with all TFT products, they come in a tip-only configuration, okay, a shut-off, and a shut-off with pistol grip. And this is common across the entire TFT product line. Typically, a tip-only can be used because it has a shut-off function either alone by itself or often in combination with a ball shut-off that would allow a break and extend sort of a configuration to take place, where the nozzle would be, the valve would be shut, and then the nozzle would be extended out in some manner. The 1-inch Bubble Cup has a flow rating, pretty much there's 2 versions of it, a 10 and 24 gallon a minute or a 10 and 40 gallon a minute. On the inch-and-a-half size, we have actually 3 versions, 2 dual gallonage and 1 single gallonage to make life a little easier when people were working with eductors. But the inch-and-a-half version comes in a 20 and 60 gallon a minute and a 20 and 95 gallon a minute version, as well as a single 95 gallon a minute version. Now the Quadra-Cups are based pretty much off TFT's Quadra-Fog design, hence where the name came from, but it's designed to operate with the gallonage selections the same as the Quadra-Fog, 30, 60, 95, and 125 gallons per minute at a rating of 100 psi. Now the Bubble Cup's design, much like other TFT design products, hard-coat anodized aluminum. You'll see some componentry in here, like the baffle, the screws, the connection points, as well as the rear valve in here is all created from stainless steel. We have a quick change valve seat on this that doesn't require the ball to be changed out. If there's ever an issue of any leaking or rough debris that has flowed through the nozzle or something that eats the seat up, the gasket comes out, the seal pops out, a new seal goes in, the gasket back. Very inexpensive and actually very quick with no tools. The front end of the nozzle is a really, really heavy, high-performance, heavy-duty PVC material that we machine this design just for it. The nozzles, especially the Bubble Cup series, operate very much like the Twister series. They're a dual gallonage. Now, in this case, we've just replaced what would typically be a rubber bumper on the front end that we have with the Twisters with this PVC front end that pops forward. Now, what this does basically is, in straight stream, you have great reach, good penetration. You're not going to do a lot of aspiration. When this pops out, you change it to fog pattern. It starts to aerate on the teeth out here. You'll lose some of the reach and penetration, but your expansion will jump up pretty dramatically. You'll have a lot more bubbles to work with. The Bubble Cup originally was designed and developed to work specifically with CAL FIRE in California, where they needed a tool that had no attachments, things that had to be added. They needed a nozzle that could be used for water, for foam solution, or to make a very wet, sloppy foam at the same time with no attachments and ease of use for the operator. Something that they could be using in firefighting and making foam, and then the next moment they had to be able to protect themselves because the fire blowing back on them. This pops back, goes back to a wide protective fog pattern, or they can then go back to making wet foam or straight stream fog pattern, whatever their choice is. The Quadra-Cup operates very much the same way that the Bubble Cups do, except it has 4 gallonage selections and really is ideally suited to work with the selection that we have of eductors that TFT offers, both in the 60, the 95, and the 125 gallon a minute versions here. Functionally, same thing, straight stream, fog pattern, the head pops out. Okay, when you're done, the head will retract back, or for protective fog pattern, you can do it that way.